Good evening, down East Boat Forum. An issue I keep finding on boats is improper crimping. So, brief tutorial on how to properly crimp a wire. First, there's the camera. Down there, up here. Be sure it's stripped. Connector, I'm using a blue step, or a yellow step, blue to a yellow, because of the way this is hooked up. Pass wire didn't do that, or electrician didn't do that. Use the improper yellow connector on this smaller gauge wire. No bueno. Pinch it right here. Where's it? Right there. I go at it with one hand first, just to make sure it holds the wire in place. So I get two hands on it and give it the final pinch. I do have some really good crimpers that really give you a better mechanical advantage, but I figure most of you guys have these ones. These ones are from Napa, 30 bucks. I actually use these more than my $80 Snap-on ones because they're just quick and easier. So after you're done your crimp, you grab it like this and you pull. If it pulls out, you're done messed up. If you can pull on it like this and it doesn't come out, go ahead and heat shrink it. I like to do all my heat shrinking at once, but there you go. That's how you do a connector. Thank you. Have a good evening.